Hello, everyone. My name is Fiona. I'm from China. I'm running our small EPS machine business. This is my second vlog. My friend who saw my first vlog told me I was a little nervous while recording my first one. So today I printed some key content on the paper. Make sure I wouldn't forget things. Hope it will help a little bit. Today I'm going to introduce you guys a new steam energy saving equipment that can use the waste steam from the pre-expanding machine, block molding machine, and shaping molding machine. Sounds interesting, right? You should, because what's next going to help you saving money? First of all, give me 30 seconds to explain you guys why I'm involved into this equipment. Before we start, I give you a better picture. Reason 1. Steam cost sharing about 50 to 75% of the total processing cost to producing the EPS foam products. Of course, it's depending on the different density, products, thickness, design. But by using this equipment, it's going to help you saving about 8 to 11% steam cost. Reason 2, due to the environment protection. In China, you guys probably know that China launched very strictly environment policy in recent years. It's not allowed to drain the steam into the open air for the new foam factory. And for the old foam factory, it has been asked for the technician update. Reason 3, workshop noise pollution. While the machine drains the steam, it causes big noise, especially for the block molding machine. If you're the one first coming into the foam factory with block molding machine, you hear the noise. You probably will get scared. We can help you to reduce your workshop noise pollution from 19.5 dB to 25 dB during the steam drainage. Okay, it's more than 30 seconds, but I'm sure you guys wouldn't hate me for helping you saving money. Now, let's back to the machine. The left one is the horizontal steam energy saving equipment. It's suited for the big EPS foam factory. The right one is vertical steam energy saving equipment, suited for the middle and small size EPS foam factory. I'm going to introduce you about a working principle of this machine. The short story is you see this. Let's assume this is the pre-expanding machine drainage, and here is the block molding machine drainage through this pipe. Both these two pipes are going to the this device, and it can heating the cold water inside to get the hot water. This hot water will supply to the boiler, and they still have some steam while heating the dry room. This is the very simple working principle, show you how it works. So for first, it can provide the hot water with like 19 degrees to steam boiler instead of the cold water. It can help saving money for the steam boiler material to generate the steam, whatever the material is, gas, oil, or coal. Let me give you a quick and simple example to better understanding this. You're at home and you want to boil the hot water for tea. When you're using the 20-degree cold water into the hot pot, it will take about 2 minutes to get the 100-degree hot water. But if you have like a 19-degree hot water in the hot pot, You will take about 30 seconds to get the hot water. This is the simple principle. But don't worry, with our calculation, we can give you accurate date, how much money we can help you to save by using this device. Yes, you're right. The volume and the temperature of the hot water will depending on the volume of the waste steam. That's why I need some basic data from your foam factory. Don't worry, this is not none of them are secret data. It's just a normal factory running data. Fulfilling the questionnaire I prepared in the end of this video. Then our engineer can calculate and customize the steam energy saving equipment with the right steam chamber size for your EPS foam factory. Things is are customized products, not standard products for all factory. So give the right feedback is very important step to building right equipment that works for you. Second, by using this equipment, it can provide the hot steam to the dry loom. Based on the feedback from our client, it can heating the dry loom with 55 to 65 degrees. So you don't need the individual steam from the steam tank to heating this dry loom anymore. So it can help you saving money. Third, especially in the winter, it can heating silo area to like 22 to 24 degree. 22 to 24 degree is the best temperature that speed up release the painting from the inside of the EPS bin to outside. In this case, it can short the EPS mature time. Let's see. Previously you need 8 hours, but right now we can short it to the 4 hours. It can help saving money by increase the production capacity. I'm sure you guys like this picture as much as I did, because EPS products has very low profit in nowadays. All the money you saved could be the profit. Now, let me show you our steam energy saving device installed in our customers' factories to give you a better understanding than my speech. You see, this green and white heat steam energy device are installed behind of the block molding machine. It's very close to the waste drainage, steam drainage pipe. And this is foam factory case 2. And this device also installed in the back of the block molding machine. And here is a video. That's it. It's a very short video. This is from case 3, foam factory case 3. And this is the foam factory case 4. And I would like to talk a little bit about this one. You see, this factory, they have 2 machines. They have 2 steam energy saving device. They have 2. One is for block molding machine, but they have 3 pieces of the pre-expanding machine. They want to recycle using this steam from the pre-expanding machine. They have 2 batch pre-expanding machine and 1 continue pre-expanding machine. Let me show you that video. Okay, here are just some more photos from the different client factories who is install this steam energy saving device. And you can see that all of them are installed inside of the buildings. But We also have the customers who install this device outside of buildings. It works. Okay, that's all. And here is my happy client. Okay, this is the customer questionnaire relative to Steam phone, which I mentioned earlier in these videos. And if you like this equipment, please contact with me to get this phone. So also give me the answers with your feedback. We are able to offer the right equipment that customized for your own factories. For more information, please contact with me by phone or email. Thank you for your time and give you a special thank you for your patience to finish all these videos. Thank you. Bye.